You know that giant Footlong Subway cookie going viral all over the internet? Well, we're exposing their secret recipe today with a trick to get that foot-long size without actually buying their cookie mold. First things first, we need some softened butter. If yours is frozen, here's a quick little hack. Let it sit in warm water for about 10 minutes. Grab a half cup of the softened butter and add it to a large mixing bowl, followed by a half cup of vegetable oil. Now add 1 cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of granulated white sugar. Cream everything together using a hand mixer or a whisk. And hey, if you love cookies and baking in general, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future recipes. Next, add 4 tablespoons of molasses. If you don't have any, honey works as a great substitute. Crack in 2 large eggs. Eggs are essential as they bind all the ingredients together. Follow that with 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. If you don't have pure vanilla, imitation vanilla works too. Mix everything together until it's smooth and well combined. Now, into that same bowl, add 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and sift in 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I highly recommend using a sifter. No one wants to bite into a clump of flour or baking soda. Then mix it all together. If you're enjoying this video so far, give it a like. It really helps others find it too. Fold in 2 cups of chocolate chips. Yes, 2 full cups. We are not holding back here. If you have a 12 by 4 inch pan, that's perfect for getting that iconic foot-long cookie shape. Line the bottom and sides with parchment paper so you can remove it easily, and press the dough into an even layer. Now if you don't have a pan that size, here's a trick I use. Grab a loaf pan, longer is better, and create a makeshift border using rolled up aluminum foil shaped into a long rectangle. This will help form the cookie shape. You can adjust the foil depending on your pan size. Then line it with parchment paper and press in about 1 inch of cookie dough. Chill in the fridge for 1 hour. Remember, cookies keep baking once they're out of the oven, so don't overdo it. Slightly underbaked is the sweet spot. Then bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 16 to 18 minutes until the edges are golden and the center is still chewy. If this recipe hit the spot for you, I think you'll love this video on how to make Subway's classic chocolate chip cookies at home. Go check it out. Enjoy!